We went and got oil change from these dirty motherfuckers. These niggas left the same filter on there. So I goes back. I look underneath there. Cause I'm a fucking mechanic, my damn self. I'm like, that's the same oil filter I had on there. So I go back like, can y'all give me what I paid for? This motherfucker said, alright, he cool. After 5 minutes, look at this shit. The same fucking oil filter. They just wiped the motherfucker off. Shit crazy. Look at this shit. Niggas is fucking messy, man. I'll be back tomorrow, though. Same shit. Y'all niggas gonna come back every day. Y'all gonna fix my shit. Shit dumb as fuck.